Hey Stella, Ned, there was little Rodney and his mate up here last night, so look what I went and got. A little trap. So, what happens is, he comes along, look, Rodney poo. We'll go in there, and then hopefully he'll eat that, put some banana in there, and when he stands on that steel bit, the door will shut, and I'll be able to go and release him. So, it's a new thing. Dun 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 dun. Got him. No. Yeah.
Are you fucking kidding me?
No, mates. They're smart little brothers. Look at their little hands. Trying to get out. I'm have to let you out, Rod. He's way bigger than the other one. He's chewing on it to try and get out. Wow, he's chewing each one. He's way bigger than the other one. He's a proper rat.
No, that's the same one.
It's not way bigger. It's more feisty.